Creating this inertia machine timer thing has been quite an arduous task. It's one of those projects where it's just one thing after another, after another, after another. I mean, for instance, I've gone through... Oh, come on, let go. 4 boards. I'm on my 4th right now. I've gone through 3 of them. And realizing that I've made mistakes on all of these ones. Or realizing, like this one was, where I thought I had everything working, but then I killed everything. Killed the chip, killed the LCD screen. Don't know why. And I wasn't, at the time, willing to figure that out, so I started from scratch and just basically went brand new from start to finish. And, again, ran into some problems. I kept plugging in my 12-volt power source here, and I had to get all sorts of funky things happening on here. Long story short, what I ended up doing is using my variable DC power supply to run 9 volts into it rather than 12, and it worked just fine. Except some of the buttons weren't actually working. Like this switch, which is also the same as this switch. This is a start and stop button. So what I found it to be was this connection here on the inside. The metal prongs are on a piece of PCB. It's down in there, right there. And the pins slide in and out. They're not actually connected to this blue piece. They slide in and out on that board. And so when I push this in, they slid out the other side, so there was no connection. So I opened that up and figured it out, and we're here. We're good. We're working. So I am going to show you, once I can find the plug, that's over here. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to add an inline fuse. I just haven't done it yet. Because I'm still getting some good heat from my 5-volt regulator, probably because I'm using a 12-volt battery. So I've got to add a couple things to work with that. But let me get this plugged in. I can't do it with one hand. Inertia tester by Don Melanson. Okay, so basically what we're looking at is that now without going too much into detail what the machine does, you would hit the start button. The weight starts, the weight starts to drop, and a stopwatch starts. So as the weight's dropping, and finally it comes and hits this guy. Okay, now it shows us an elapsed time. I've been given the equation that I can use to put one step further into this, so I can hit the start-stop one more time and get the values that they need. But right now, if they try to start-stop, or if this accidentally gets hit while you're resetting things, it won't let you do anything. You actually have to reset the machine. You can also open and close the brake for the machine, because you'll need to be able to, reset it. And then this hole here is for the solenoid, for the actual brake itself. So power is being delivered to this guy here every time the brake is open. So anytime that red light is on, the brake is open, and the brake is active. Well, except for now. That would be ridiculous. But yeah, so we're pretty much there. I got to add the I've got to add the relay for the solenoid on the board, and I need to get a plug for the solenoid because I couldn't find the 1/8 inch one. No, I think it's even smaller. Whatever, I don't know what the smaller size is. 1/16? Anyway, so there we go. We're well on our way.